What's up, family? I hope you guys have been good over here. So I'm officially coming back as of this video that you see on your screens. I've been away since December of 2024, and it's been around about 5 months being away from the YouTube scene and just teaching. And I really had to take that step because I was going through a lot of stuff while having I was feeling a little bit of pressure um, doing content and making sure I keep up while I was going through a lot of personal stuff in the background. So I couldn't really function or cope properly. I found myself most of the time maybe sort of just depressed or in deep sadness, and I couldn't be as creative as I wanted to be and really pour out myself. So I really had to step back and sort of just heal and make sure that I'm in the right framework before I can come back over here and really get to pour out. So yeah, that is actually why I went away. It was because of that. Um, Last year I did go through a lot of stuff where I had prop firms withdrawals that did not land. They got denied. I got scammed a lot, large amounts of trading funds that I was expecting, and it happened to me around about 3 times, of which at that point I stopped trading with prop firms and took a step back from trading. That really affected my mind. It put me in a very dark space, but I still kept on doing videos. I still kept on pouring out, but it was so hard to be in the right framework and also trade at that point. So what I just did was to just step back. That's what really caused all of that. But now, of course, I've really gone through the journey of healing, really came out on top, really came out stronger and more confident when it comes to that. So I'm really happy to be back and to now pour out. Now, this comes with a very new edge, very new leave, a very new start to me, because throughout my journey, many of you guys who follow me on LinkedIn can know that I am a qualified software engineer, so I can code. And I was learning PineScript and the MQL4 language. That with that, I was able to code something that can really incorporate some of my trading methods and how I view smart money, how I incorporate smart money on my chart, to automate it to appear on my chart, and then I can take those things. So that's exactly what I did throughout that whole time. I sort of used that pressure, all of that pain, all of that sort of just crushing, I should call it that, because in the Bible, we talk about a place of crushing, where if you're gonna have anointing oil come out of an olive oil, you're gonna have to press it so hard. So the place of pressure is always where we are anointed for the greater season. So I took it as that to say, I'm surely at the next step. And that's exactly what I was doing. I kept on coding, I kept on being in private. And I should say thank you for so many of you kept on checking up on me on WhatsApp, who kept on commenting to say when am I coming back, or just good comments overall. So that's what I kept on doing, so that I can sort of make sure that as I'm still healing, yes, I'm much stronger, but I'm still healing from some of the stuff that I've went through mentally, especially, that I began to code something that can appear on my chart, display entries, make sure that it aligns with my style of trading. And I call it entry indicator. I have no special name for it. And this is what I've been using to sort of just get entries and make sure I can still sustain myself as a full-time trader, while allowing myself to go through that. I didn't have to analyze, do a lot of checklistings on the chart, all of the nitty-gritties that come with technical analysis or just trading psychology as a whole. It sort of just put that on pause, and I was able to take 1 or 2 trades per day and consistently just make a stable income for myself and my family. So with that, I'm going to be displaying a lot of that, not just smart money as I was doing or school of entries. I'm going to be displaying a lot of the entries that I've coded and bring you into the background of how it was coded, why, and what it does. So I'm looking forward to that type of content. I think you're gonna absolutely love that. And then also I want to create a very big emphasis on just trading psychology, trading psychology, and in a way that has never been taught, as well as risk management. I kept on reading a lot of books in my time away, so I'm very excited to really share that knowledge, that fresh knowledge with you that is going to lift you to the next level. So the main emphasis are going to be that going forward. It's to really create a very fresh perspective for traders, a new way that we look at trading. Definitely, I'm quite excited. So yeah, I really want to thank you, community. I know we have people who've been loving me since from day one. I do appreciate your support and you actually just backing me up along this journey. And definitely, guys, for those who gonna keep moving with us, let us keep moving with positivity and with greatness, and build a very good trading community that is centered on godliness. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I will be posting more videos. I'm a bit rusty when it comes to just doing videos or just sitting down like this, but for sure, once I'm back, I think I'm gonna get my flow in and make sure that you guys get to be developed to the next heights of trading. God bless you. See you on the next video.